How to dropship on Big Cartel. Big Cartel complete tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use Big Cartel to create our own online store to start our dropshipping career. As you can see, they provide us the opportunity to create our online store for free if we have under 5 products in our store. So sometimes it could be really helpful to start our business. We don't have to invest any money. We can easily create our own website with Big Cartel. So let's get started. Here we are on bigcartel.com, and we can find a couple of options we can do, but of course firstly we need to log in or sign up. So if you are new to this platform, I suggest you to sign up. I'm going to log in into my account. I already have an account, and basically we'll come to this page where in the top of the screen we have 5 folders: dashboard, orders, products, discounts, and account. So in order to set up our online store, we need to visit every single basically folder right up here. And in order to get started easily, we can find this checklist on our dashboard. We'll like verify your location and currency, and in order to do it we need to open our account and then scroll down till the very end, and we can find a location and currency here. So we need to set up our information. For example, I'm located in Belarus and my currency is US dollars, like USD. So after that we can count to the next step, like add a product. And in order to add a product, we just simply need to visit products folder right up here, and then just simply manage to add something in our products folder. So I already have like 3 products here, but you will not have them. And all to do, we just simply need to click on plus, add a product, and we need to fill all the information right up here. So we need to add our product name, description, add categories if it's necessary. As for us, status like active, hidden, sold out, or coming soon. It depends on your purposes. If you want to create it like and sell it right up now, you can add it like active, like coming soon. If you would like to like stay a little bit without sales, so you can add it a little bit later. And sold out if you don't have these t-shirt, for example, in your store. And also we can add a price. Let's add like $9.99, and we can add some variants, like add variants, variant group, and we can also set up our shipping. So we can add a country along or with orders, and it will be like suitable as for you, so it depends on your own. I suggest you to visit this page and set up a shipping stuff by yourself. And also we can find like US tax category, we can add it. And when everything is done, we can also add an image. We can add a couple of images or like only one, and then just simply click on save. So your product will be automatically placed to products folder. As you can see, I have it right up here. From this page we can easily manage it. We'll open this page, and as you can see, we can add some additional information. For example, change our price, change our status. For example, let's add it to sold out, and then I'm just simply need to click on save. So yeah, adding products is pretty easy, and now we can go to the next step. And as you can see, we can explore shipping profiles, connect the payment processor, design your shop, and launch your shop. And I suggest you to basically start with creating design for our website. And in order to do it, we need to open our profile here, and then just simply click on design, or if you will not have this window, you need to click on create a website. So let's click on design, and basically we'll come to our editor, and from this page here we can easily find all the stuff related with our website we will dropship through. So in the left side we have a couple of options: settings, pages, code, and themes. I don't think that code will be useful as for you, because it's like for advanced users who want to add some additional CSS code or HTML. So we can easily create it with our themes. As you can see, they provide us the opportunity to use their themes completely for free. So we can find something suitable as for us. For example, we can try to redesign our website in this theme. And as you can see, it looks like like pretty good, nothing hard, everything is easy, and we can easily start with this stuff here. And also, in order to manage something additional stuff, we can of course add, like, open every single like folder, and then just simply redesign it as we need. But in my case, I recommend you just simply use default designed by Big Cartel, because you don't have to add some additional stuff. You can also, of course, like add some branding info, but I don't think that it's suitable as for you to start your dropshipping. It's not related to your personal brand. All you need to do is just simply set up your store. What can we do also is that we can change between like desktop, tablet and phone to see how will it look like as for us. And after that, when everything is done here, we can just simply click on publish. But on settings page, we can also add a logo, background image, manage some colors, so we can change like color palette. For example, we can try to change like our colors for our buttons. So let's try to change it to red. As you can see, there are a lot of different colors here, like related with blue stuff, and I think that some of these should affect our buttons. And as you can see, it was changed to red. Basically nothing hard. You can easily customize, change the fonts, change options, and so on. And when everything is done, we just simply need to click on publish, and our website will be published to our shop. So now we can basically click on exit to come to the previous page, and we have our personal link right up here. And as you can see, everything is working now. So now we can easily start to interact with our customers. We can send this link to them, and after that they can easily buy our products. And of course, we need to set up our payments. So we need to click on go to get paid on our profile, and then just simply click on set up our payment options. If you click on this button, we can see that you have two options, Stripe and also PayPal. So as you can see, Stripe is not available in my country, so I can only accept payments with PayPal. It depends on your location, and I suggest you to use Stripe. It's much more convenient, and as for me, it's pretty cool. Unfortunately, it's not available in my country. And after that, when everything is done, you can just simply start to dropship. You can easily reach a new orders and sell new things. And in my case, Big Cartel is much better than other platforms for drop shipping, as I think. Yeah, so yeah, if we'll try to discover their plans, we can easily try to view some additional stuff. As you can see, we also have like statistics here and some other, and the paid plans for the account are not that high, I think. So we can easily afford to buy like paid plans of Big Cartel. So that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.